Have you ever wondered that from just the humble rice, rinse, water, and milk found in your kitchen, you can create an army of incredibly effective microorganisms? Today, we'll embark on a fascinating journey through the magical process of fermentation to create EM1, a friendly microbial solution that's beneficial for both health and the environment. Let's begin with the very first step, capturing the power of nature using rice, rains, water. This liquid, often poured away without a second thought, is actually a gentle and clean source of nutrients. Carefully pour the rice rinse water into a plastic bottle, leaving the cap slightly loose. This allows the natural microorganisms from the air to enter and settle in. Place the bottle in a cool, ventilated area and let it sit for 5 to 7 days. During this time, you'll notice a subtle sour scent, reminiscent of fresh fermentation. This is the sign that your first guests have arrived. Lactic acid bacteria have begun to establish themselves in your homemade culture. With this foundation, it's time to enrich the environment for our microorganisms. Add fresh milk to the fermented rice rinse water. The lactic acid bacteria will now thrive, feeding on the lactose in the milk and converting it into lactic acid. This transformation creates an environment that both suppresses harmful bacteria and encourages the growth of beneficial ones. Over the next 5 days, you'll observe the liquid gradually changing, becoming thicker, and developing a pleasantly tangy aroma. This stage is crucial as it strengthens the population of lactic acid bacteria, making your solution more potent and effective. Once your culture is robust and active, it's time to multiply your microorganisms with a sweet boost. Molasses. Molasses is an ideal carbon source, rich in simple sugars that microorganisms love. To prepare the final EM1 solution, mix 1 part of your fermented starter with 1 part molasses and 20 parts clean water. Stir the mixture well to ensure everything is evenly distributed. Then, allow it to ferment for another 5 to 7 days. During this period, the microorganisms will feast on the molasses, rapidly multiplying until each drop of your solution contains millions of beneficial bacteria and yeasts, ready to work wonders. As the fermentation nears completion, you'll notice the scent of your solution becomes gently sour with a hint of sweet vinegar. This is the hallmark of a well-made EM1 culture. At this stage, transfer the liquid to a clean container, seal it, and label it for future use. Store it in a cool, shaded place away from direct sunlight. Your homemade EM1 is now ready to be used in a variety of applications. It can be added to soil to improve its structure and fertility, used to water plants for healthier growth, applied to compost piles to speed up decomposition, or even used in animal pens to control odors and promote a cleaner environment, all without any synthetic chemicals or additives. The beauty of EM1 lies in its simplicity and versatility. With just a few basic ingredients, rice rinse water, milk, and molasses, you've created a living solution that harnesses the power of beneficial microorganisms. These tiny helpers break down organic matter, suppress harmful microbes, and restore balance to natural systems. By introducing EM1 into your daily routines, you're not only caring for your plants and animals, but also contributing to a healthier, more sustainable environment. Imagine the impact when more households and communities adopt this practice. Gardens flourish with vibrant crops, soils become richer and more fertile, and waste is transformed into valuable compost. The air around animal enclosures becomes fresher, and the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides diminishes. All of this starts from simple, everyday materials that are often discarded. It's a small action with far-reaching benefits, showing how nature's cycles can be harnessed and enhanced through mindful stewardship. Beyond agriculture, EM1 has even more potential. It can be used to treat wastewater, clean surfaces, and break down organic pollutants. In each application, the core principle remains the same, empowering beneficial microorganisms to restore and maintain balance. This approach is gentle on the environment, cost-effective, and accessible to everyone, regardless of experience or resources. Creating EM1 at home also fosters a deeper connection with the processes that sustain life. Observing the stages of fermentation, noticing the changes in aroma and texture, and witnessing the effects in your garden or on your compost pile. All these experiences reinforce an appreciation for the unseen allies that support our well being. It's a hands on lesson in patience, observation, and respect for the natural world. As you incorporate EM1 into your daily life, you'll find endless opportunities to innovate and adapt. Experiment with different ratios, try using EM1 on various plants or in different environments, and share your results with friends and neighbors. Each batch you make is a testament to the power of community, both the community of microorganisms in your solution and the human community that benefits from their work. So, why not give it a try? Making EM1 at home is simple, rewarding, and impactful. By starting with just rice, rinse, water, milk, and molasses, you hold the key to a healthier home, garden, and planet. Every drop you create contains the potential for renewal and growth, nurturing life from the ground up. Let's protect our environment and our health, beginning with the smallest acts and the simplest ingredients. It's time to embrace the power of beneficial microorganisms and see the transformation for yourself. Start your EM1 journey today, because real change begins with small steps, right from your own kitchen.